Good afternoon, ma. Welcome to Alpha Online Education. So, commerce theory part for the second years. That's the first chapter of financial markets. In that part 10, today's topic is about the introduction to trading of initial public offering. Trading of initial public offering. Initial means first. Initial means first. First offering to the public. What we are offering first to the public means we are offering first to the public that are shares. Okay. What we are offering first to the public means we are offering shares to the public on the listed stock exchange. Let us see what it is. A private company can go public. Okay. A private company, a normal private company, it can go public. It can go public by sale of its stock to the general public. Sale of its stock means securities. By the sale of its securities, to the general public. General public means the common public. By selling its securities to the common public. It allows a company to raise the capital. It allows the company to raise the capital from the public investors. Before knowing the definition, let us know why it is necessary to raise the capital for the company. This is the company that needs the capital in order to continue its business. Okay. So, there are three chances to raise the capital. The company needs the capital. There are three chances for the company to raise the capital. Okay. This is the capital that the company needed to continue its business or expand its business. Okay. So, the company wants the capital. It can raise the capital by three ways. One is by taking bank loan. Another one by taking from relatives. And also from last one, that is initial public offering on stock, on share market or on stock market. You can introduce your securities. You can list your securities on the share market. By that also you can raise the capital. So, if you take the loan, bank loan, the interest will be more. If you take money from the relatives, how much they can give? They can't give crores of rupees. They can't give lakhs of rupees, right? So, it is better to rise from the share market by introducing initial public offering. So, that is why it reach the company private companies will approach to the stock market or share market where their shares are listed. Listed means the shares are registered in the share market or in the stock market. Okay, the shares are listed on the share market or the stock market. Listing of shares means registration, recognition of those shares in the share market. The company which want to raise the capital, that company shares should have to be listed according to the guidelines of Security Exchange Board of India. According to the guidelines of Security Exchange Board of India, those company shares should have to be listed on the stock market. Then only that shares can be buy and sell in the stock market. So, initial public offering means the private companies whose shares are till now they are not listed, they are not issued, even in the primary market also they can approach to these type of financial market, that is initial public offering. Now we see the definition. The private company can go public by the sale of stock to the general public. Now what the company will do? Company will require the capital. The company require the fund. In order to fulfill the needs of these funds, the company will approach to the initial public offering on the share market. It will issue its shares. It will make its shares listed on the stock market. Whether it may be Bombay Stock Exchange or National Stock Exchange. On those stock exchange, it company shares to be listed. Listed అంటే అర్థం ఏంటన్నట్టు మీ పేరు రిజిస్టర్లో ఎట్లా రిజిస్టర్లో రాసేస్తారో అదేవిధంగా ఏ కంపెనీ షేర్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయో అవి అకార్డింగ్ టు ద సెబీ గైడ్లైన్స్ దేర్ ఆర్ రిజిస్టర్డ్ ఇన్ ద స్టాక్ మార్కెట్. ఓకే, a company can raise the capital. From that the company can raise the capital by issuing its shares, by selling its shares to the shareholders. Okay, so the company needed the capital. It can raise the capital by the three ways, but this is the most better way to raise the capital by issuing its shares to the general public who are interested to purchase the shares of particular company. Next, when company running with good profits, generally why the company required the capital means during its initial stage when company want to start its business at that time, or when the company want to expand its business, the business is running very good. Okay, so customers are increased to 1,000 customers are increased, so there is a need to start or expand the business now. Now it is the time to expand the business in all the cities of the world, in all the cities of the country or in all the cities of the world. Now it is time to expand the branches. Okay, so for example, one branch cost is 20 lakhs rupees, then for 50 branches it will be 1 crore rupees. It is not that much easy for the bank to give 1 crore rupees, and also for relatives it is highly impossible. For 10 crore rupees it is highly impossible amount. The only way to raise the capital, that is initial public offering. By that only the investors who are in need of the capital, they can rise from the common general public by issuing these type of initial public offering. Before going to know how they are issuing these initial public offering to general public, there are certain guidelines are there are certain procedures are there that is formulated by the SEBI guidelines and procedures, regulations, rules ఉన్నాయి. దాన్ని పాటిస్తేనే ఆ షేర్స్ అనేవి లిస్టెడ్ అవుతాయి. స్టాక్ మార్కెట్లో ఆ షేర్స్ అనేవి అమ్మకాలు కొనుగోలు అనేది జరుగుతుంది. ఆ ప్రాసెస్ అనేది పార్ట్ 11లో డిస్కస్ చేసాం. దిస్ ఈజ్ జస్ట్ అన్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్ టు నో వాట్ ఈజ్ IPO. సో వాట్ డస్ IPO? ఇనిషియల్ పబ్లిక్ ఆఫరింగ్. ఇట్ ఆఫర్డ్ టు ద పబ్లిక్. What it offers to the public? The listed shares. What is the need of the company to prefer the IPO? What is the need? The main need of capital is the main need in order to overcome the problem of deficiency, lack of capital. Capital తక్కువ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాం? జనరల్గా ఎక్కడి నుంచైనా మనం ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ గ్యాదర్ చేసుకుంటాం. సో జనరల్లీ మెజారిటీ ఆఫ్ ద కంపెనీస్ ఏం చేస్తారంటే దేర్ విల్ ఇష్యూ ద షేర్స్ ఇన్ టు ద మార్కెట్ టు రైజ్ ద క్యాపిటల్. దట్స్ వై దేర్ విల్ ప్రిఫర్ టు ద ఇనిషియల్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ time they are going to issue their shares to the general public. Okay, so this is the introduction part to the trading of initial public offering. There is a procedure that we are going to discuss in part 11. So this is just an introduction part. Thank you, ma.